After 60, do nothing and it will save your life. Turning 60 is not just a milestone in age, it's a threshold into a new phase of life where the fast-paced demands of work, family, and responsibilities begin to recede. After years of juggling deadlines, obligations, and the pressures of daily life, this period offers a chance to embrace a slower, more intentional way of living. Doing nothing doesn't suggest idleness or a lack of purpose. Instead, it signals a shift in focus, a conscious decision to prioritize well-being, inner peace, and simplicity. It is in this stage of life that doing nothing can indeed save your life. Let's explore how adopting this philosophy can improve not only your health but also your sense of fulfillment and happiness. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. 1. A new chapter, embracing life's slowdown. Reaching the age of 60 marks the beginning of a new chapter, where the fast-moving demands of life start to slow, allowing more time for reflection, rest, and enjoyment. This shift is not about retreating from life, but stepping into a deeper, more meaningful engagement with it. For many, the thought of slowing down after years of keeping up with responsibilities, whether in a career or family life, can feel disorienting or even uncomfortable at first. But it is precisely in this slower rhythm that many discover the key to living well in their later years. Letting go of the pressure to stay busy is essential. Society often equates busyness with success and worth, making it challenging to abandon the constant need to do. After decades of living under these expectations, the transition into a slower pace can feel foreign, and some may initially feel guilt or unease about not maintaining the same level of activity. However, it's important to recognize that life after 60 offers a valuable opportunity to redefine what it means to live a meaningful life. It's not about how much you accomplish in a day, but rather how fully you experience each moment. Doing nothing is not about abandoning responsibilities altogether, but shifting your focus from external achievements to inner well-being. Instead of being driven by goals and to-do lists, you have the freedom to focus on what truly brings you joy and peace. This might mean spending an afternoon reading, practicing a hobby, or simply sitting quietly in contemplation. By letting go of the pressure to be constantly productive, you open up space for rest, reflection, and mindfulness, finding new purpose in simplicity. This chapter in life also brings the opportunity to rediscover or reinvent your sense of purpose. Without the obligations of a career or the day-to-day demands of raising a family, there's more freedom to explore personal interests and passions. Whether it's diving into creative activities like painting or writing, learning a new skill, or spending more time in nature, this stage allows for fuller expression of your individuality. For some, this newfound purpose may come from connecting with others, volunteering in the community, mentoring younger generations, or simply spending more time with family and friends. These connections provide emotional satisfaction and reinforce the idea that purpose doesn't always have to be tied to productivity. In fact, one of the most profound realizations after 60 is that purpose can be found in the simplest of things: enjoying a leisurely breakfast, tending to a garden, or having meaningful conversations with loved ones. 2. The health benefits of letting go. As we age, the cumulative effects of stress from decades of work, family responsibilities, and life's many pressures become more pronounced. After 60, the body and mind require more care and attention to heal from the wear and tear of earlier years. Embracing a slower pace and allowing yourself to let go can have remarkable health benefits, both physically and mentally. This period offers an opportunity to prioritize well-being by focusing on rest, relaxation, and gentle activities that support long-term health. Reducing stress for heart health. One of the most immediate and profound benefits of slowing down is the reduction of stress. Chronic stress is a well-known contributor to various health problems, including heart disease, high blood pressure, weakened immunity, and even cognitive decline. The constant pressure to meet deadlines, maintain a busy schedule, and juggle multiple responsibilities takes a toll on the body, leading to elevated levels of stress hormones like cortisol. Over time, these elevated hormone levels can contribute to serious health risks, particularly for the heart and cardiovascular system. By allowing yourself to do nothing in a mindful way, Whether through activities like meditation, gentle breathing exercises, or simply sitting quietly and reflecting, you can help reduce these stress hormones. Studies show that mindfulness and relaxation techniques can lower blood pressure, improve heart function, and enhance overall emotional well-being. Even small, intentional pauses during your day can have a profound impact on your health. Practicing mindfulness doesn't require hours of meditation. Even a few minutes of deep breathing or focusing on the present moment can help lower stress levels and promote a sense of calm. Rest as a form of healing. As we grow older, our bodies require more time to recover from both physical exertion and mental strain. The fast-paced lifestyle of earlier years may have pushed the boundaries of endurance, but after 60, rest becomes a critical component of maintaining good health. Rest is not merely about physical recovery. It also supports mental clarity and emotional balance. Adequate sleep, short naps during the day, or simply taking moments to pause can replenish your energy and strengthen your body's natural healing processes. Rest also plays a vital role in preventing cognitive decline. Research has shown that sleep is essential for brain health, particularly as we age. During deep sleep, the brain works to consolidate memories, clear out toxins, and repair cells, all of which contribute to cognitive sharpness and emotional stability. In contrast, sleep deprivation or chronic fatigue can increase the risk of memory problems, confusion, and even mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. Giving yourself permission to rest is, in essence, giving your brain the care it needs to function optimally. The importance of relaxation in daily life. Integrating relaxation into your daily routine is crucial for overall well-being. Relaxation doesn't just mean lying down, it can include activities that calm the mind and body, such as listening to music, taking a warm bath, or spending time in nature. These small but intentional moments of relaxation help regulate the body's stress response, reduce muscle tension, and improve circulation. They also foster a sense of peace and emotional balance that is vital for maintaining a positive outlook in later life. Relaxation also supports social and emotional health. When we slow down and release stress, we are better able to connect with others, whether through conversations with family and friends or through community activities. This deeper connection nurtures emotional well-being, fostering feelings of belonging and happiness. It is in these relaxed states that you can truly enjoy the beauty of life and the relationships that matter most. Letting go of the constant need to do and embracing rest and relaxation is not a retreat from life, but an essential part of maintaining long-term health. By reducing stress, prioritizing rest, and integrating relaxation into your day, you protect your heart, strengthen your mind, and foster a sense of inner calm that will carry you through the years to come. 3. Embracing a slower lifestyle. After the age of 60, life presents an opportunity to shift from the fast-paced, often overwhelming demands of earlier years to a slower, more intentional lifestyle. This is a time when the focus moves away from the pressure to achieve and produce toward a deeper appreciation of life's simple pleasures. A slower lifestyle isn't about doing less for the sake of it, it's about creating space to experience more presence, more connection, and more fulfillment in the everyday moments that often went unnoticed in the busier phases of life. Finding joy in simple moments. One of the greatest benefits of slowing down after 60 is the ability to fully immerse yourself in the small yet significant details of daily life. In earlier years, time might have felt like something to manage, rushing from one task to the next, constantly looking ahead to the next goal or responsibility. However, in this chapter, time becomes something to savor. You can wake up in the morning without the urgency of a packed schedule and truly enjoy your morning routine, whether it's sipping a cup of tea, reading the newspaper, or taking a quiet walk. With fewer obligations demanding your attention, you can allow yourself to fully engage with the present moment. This might mean noticing the way the sunlight filters through your window, listening to the birds sing in your garden, or simply taking time to breathe deeply and appreciate the day as it unfolds. These moments of mindfulness bring a sense of calm and clarity, helping you feel more grounded and connected to your surroundings. They remind us that life's most beautiful experiences often happen in the quiet, simple moments. Creating meaningful rituals. A slower lifestyle also allows for the creation of new daily rituals that bring joy and meaning. These rituals don't need to be elaborate. They can be as simple as preparing a meal with care, taking time to enjoy your favorite hobby, or setting aside a few minutes for quiet reflection at the end of the day. These small, intentional acts help create a sense of structure and comfort, especially as life becomes less about external demands and more about personal fulfillment. Slowing down encourages you to live more mindfully. Rather than rushing through tasks or multitasking, you can focus on doing one thing at a time, fully engaging in the experience, whether it's gardening, cooking, or even tidying up your space. Approaching these activities with mindfulness transforms them from chores into moments of peaceful engagement. These acts can become therapeutic, grounding you in the present and helping to reduce stress while bringing a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Simplifying life for greater fulfillment. After decades of juggling various responsibilities, many people find that simplifying their lives after 60 brings a sense of freedom and relief. Simplification can take many forms, whether it's downsizing your home, decluttering your living space, or reducing the number of commitments in your calendar. By simplifying, you remove unnecessary distractions and burdens, allowing for a more focused and peaceful existence. This simplification is not just physical but also mental and emotional. It might mean letting go of relationships that no longer serve you or saying no to obligations that don't align with your values or priorities. In doing so, you create more room for the things that truly matter, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing personal passions, or simply enjoying the tranquility of a quiet day. The act of simplifying life encourages a deeper connection with yourself and those around you. It allows you to focus on quality rather than quantity, giving you the freedom to dedicate time and energy to the things and people that bring joy and fulfillment. This lifestyle shift isn't about withdrawing from life, but about choosing to live it with greater intention and presence, finding joy in less and discovering meaning in the moments that truly count. Connecting more deeply with nature. Slowing down also creates space for a renewed connection with nature. With more time available, many people find joy in activities like gardening, walking in the park, or simply sitting outside and observing the natural world. Nature has a unique ability to soothe and heal, offering a sense of peace and grounding that is especially valuable in later life. Spending time in nature, whether through gardening, walking, or simply observing the changing seasons, helps reduce stress and improve mood, providing a sense of calm and tranquility. Many people in this phase also find time to return to hobbies and creative pursuits that were once set aside. Activities such as painting, knitting, writing, or playing music not only stimulate the mind but also offer emotional fulfillment. These pursuits allow for self-expression, creativity, and joy, helping keep the mind engaged and active. Practicing mindfulness and gratitude. With a slower pace of life comes the opportunity to live more mindfully, fully present in each moment, appreciating small joys like a beautiful sunset, a good meal, or a heartfelt conversation. This fosters a deeper sense of contentment. Practicing gratitude for these everyday experiences creates a positive outlook, allowing you to find happiness in the simple, quiet moments of life. This slower, more reflective approach to living encourages a deep sense of satisfaction, allowing you to appreciate life's richness and the fulfillment that comes from slowing down and savoring the present. Conclusion. After 60, life offers a precious opportunity to slow down, savor simple pleasures, and focus on what truly matters. By embracing gentle movement, nurturing relationships, and rediscovering personal passions, we create space for deeper fulfillment and well-being. This stage of life is not about doing less, but about living more mindfully, finding joy in small moments, peace and stillness, and gratitude in everyday life. It's a time to live with intention, appreciating the richness that comes with a slower, more meaningful pace. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you find these stories inspiring and motivating, please comment 1, if not, comment 0. Your feedback means a lot to us. Thank you for your valuable time.